Hey, it's Greg Luther, and here I am on the beach in Florida, and it made me think about, all of the agents that are spending so much time working in their business, but they're not really making the money they want to make. One thing that I speak a lot on when I'm working with my agents is, what are you doing for autonomy? How are you building your business so you actually have the free time to do what you want to do? Go to a beach, spend time with the family, go on vacation. And the problem for so many agents is they're putting in non-stop hours. The second they wake up in the morning, they're thinking real estate. All day long, all the way into the evening, they're thinking real estate. They're even working on the weekends many times. But you know what the bad part about that is? They're not doing real work. They're looking for work. What do I mean by that? They're checking their email, getting on webinars, checking stuff out, trying to find jobs for themselves. That's not what you're looking to do as a real estate agent. You got in this business to create freedom for yourself. So you can work when you want, but also have the freedom to own your own business and work whenever you choose to, while also not choosing to work every once in a while. Well, it couldn't be further from the truth for most people because they're working 24 hours a day. What I want you to do, if you check out getfastclosings.com, what we do on that training is I'm going to show you, here's what you do to make money every month. Here's how you generate business instead of doing all of the busy work that's taking up your time and leaving you at the end of the month with a whole lot more month than you have money. And I know that you understand what I mean by that you're not generating enough closings on a consistent basis to live the lifestyle you want to live. What happens is you start to shrink your goals, shrink your expenses, start trying to figure out how to live smaller rather than realizing you actually have a problem with income, not a problem with expenses. If you'll fix your income, you're going to be in a much better position. So you should see in the description here somewhere, you should see a link to getfastclosings.com. I want you to register for that training. You'll be able to see it immediately here. And you'll see a 40-minute training to show you ads that work, offers that work, scripts you should be using so that when you wake up in the morning and you go to work as a real estate agent, you're actually producing income for your family. You're not doing all the busy work. There's agents that work 40, 50 hours a week and make no money. They're closing like 1 or 2 deals a month. Let me show you what you should do to generate significant revenue for yourself, and most importantly, have the autonomy that you're looking for. Live the type of life you want to provide for you and your family. That's only going to happen if you fix your income. So again, you don't have a problem with expenses, you have a problem with income. Let's fix that side of it. You can have a brand new shiny Mercedes in the driveway. Who cares? 1 closing a month would pay for 5 of them or more. So let's fix your real estate business. If you go to getfastclosings.com, you'll learn a little bit about how to have better offers so you're not always shopping for work. You're not waking up every day thinking, how do I find clients to work with? You're actually working with those that want to work with you. So check it out right now. I think you'll find it incredibly helpful because, again, the reason you got in this business is to build autonomy, to have the freedom that you need as a real estate agent. And if you feel like you're owned by the business, which is why a lot of agents come to me, they're looking for that better approach. I want to help you with it as well. Find more details on us at gregluthercoaching.com. I want you to make the next 7 days the most profitable you've ever had. I'd love to help you in any way I can. Check out the quick video training there at getfastclosings.com. Put some of that to use for your real estate business. Put it in play today and watch how quickly you'll have a lot more freedom because you're making the kind of money you want. I'm Greg Luther. Find us at gregluthercoaching.com, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do 2 important things. It's both totally free. Number 1, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.